against Toby and his lightning burst. 3, 2, 1, go! Tap the green button as fast as you can to get chugging. Faster, faster! Lost my buffers! What fantastic chugging! Presenting your new trophy piece. You got it! Your trophy's coming along. Keep on racing to win more pieces. Thomas and his speed boost against Emily and her steam boost. 3, 2, 1, go! Hop, hop, hop! Clattering coaches! You whooshed like the wind. Here's your new trophy piece. Good job! Your trophy's looking great. To win another piece, keep on racing. Thomas and his speed boost against James and his turbo boost. 3, 2, 1, go! Faster, faster! Trembling tracks! That was some outstanding puffing! Presenting your new... You got it! Your trophy's coming along. Keep on racing to win more pieces. Thomas and his speed boost against Percy and his track jump. 3, 2, 1, go! Tap the red speed booster to puff even faster. Blistering boilers! What fantastic chugging! Here's your new trophy piece. Only one more piece to go, and you've won the whole trophy. Thomas and his speed boost against Diesel and his power shift. 3, 2, 1, go! Pop, pop, pop! Flat my funnel! Oh, so close! Try chugging even faster next time. Thomas and his speed boost against Diesel and his power shift. 3, 2, 1, go! Pop, pop, pop! Pumping pistons! You whooshed like the wind! Presenting your new trophy piece.